Let's see how to write square root in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now to type in our square root symbol, head on over to the Insert tab. Now click on Symbol and click on More Symbols. And right here, you'll see the square root symbol under the mathematical operator subset. Now, you'll also notice that you can see the character code right here, which is 221A. So let's go ahead and insert our square root symbol. And to save the hassle, you can also do a shortcut where if you have access to a numeric keypad on your keyboard, you can simply click Alt and then type in 221A on your numeric keypad. And that is how you can type in a square root in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.